Okay, so next up is transitions between slides. So first you want to click on the slide that you want to add a beginning transition to. So right now we're on slide 4. And the way that you add a transition to a slide is once the slide is clicked on over here, you click on transition right here. It'll bring up this menu right here. You're going to want to click on this box here and you choose the transition you want. So let's say I want a cube transition, and then you could choose the speed. And then lastly, you could choose if you want this on all slides or just this slide. So then if we play it, when we go to this slide, then it transitions using a cube.